Hi everybody, welcome back, and today I have an unexpected unboxing. So I have officially failed in my no shopping because I have used my wildcard. If you haven't watched my stop shopping video, I'll link it up here. My luxury exceptions this year, or my luxury rules this year, is that I'll only do 2 hauls. And it will only fall in my birthday month and also Christmas. So what has happened is I allowed myself in the exceptions to have 1 wild card. So I know I have a wild card means I'm allowed to buy an extra 1 haul, but I'm hoping to make that haul within the 2 months. And it was really hard, okay, because you know the Chanel spring summer collection came out and it was really tough. And I knew this wild card that I had is only 1. Like, I would definitely stick to that 1, but I was really saving it for later on in the year because having 1 is really hard, okay? Really hard for the whole year. Meaning if I use it, like you say, in January, December's a far way away. So I decided to hold on to it. But when this item came out and I saw it on another YouTuber's video and I tried it, I said, oh my gosh, this is the wild card. This is the wild card that I know I won't regret. Okay, I know I won't regret. Like, if anything else comes out as good as this, I will just have to bite and just resist. But I love this item. Okay, it's so good. So in a way, I failed in April that I spent for my luxury category, but I'm following my exception. Okay, 1 wild card. So it's going to be a long year to December. Okay, a long year. That's going to be hard. Like, I didn't want to use it, but I swear I couldn't. Okay, so anyway, this is the box. It is really something small, so maybe I should have done something like wildcard for something like really big, you know, like really huge and all of that. But I think this is okay. Like, I have another item that I feel like getting, but I would think I'll only get it if I remove something from my 5 items. Like, I have 5 things that I want to buy this year, which I did a video on with FashionablyAmy, 5 items that I want to buy. So if I were to buy anything else, geez, it will have to be part of, something will have to drop from that 5. So anyway, I hope not, okay? So this is the thing. This is my wild card, okay? Oh, there's your hair here. Okay, let's unbox. Even my husband hasn't seen it. Can you see it? Oh, okay. You see? Okay. Alright. Oh. So that's the care booklet. It is something really small. Okay, oh my gosh, this is such, oh my goodness, just look at it, If you know what it is, like you've seen people showing it off, you will probably guess it, but, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god, look at it. It is the round coin clutch.
Oh no!
Iridescent blue or purple, depending. It looks a little green. Let me go a little further. Green. Can you see it's iridescent? When I look at it this way, it looks more green and blue, but it has that purple shift as well. It is such a novelty item, but so perfect for my wildcard. Oh, okay, let me just take this out. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, let me just wear it and you can see. Look, isn't it cute? It is showing more green on the camera, but it's actually really beautiful purple. I tried to put some pictures and it's so hard to capture the color of this gorgeous little bag. And it's seriously such a novelty. Okay, it cannot fit practically nothing. It fits practically nothing. Once I saw Amy, so this is the card that shows you it's the real thing. Okay, oops. So it's just a plain inside. It's made in Italy. There are 2 slip compartments inside. It can open up so, oh yeah, okay, maybe it's showing up. Can you see the purple shift? It comes with the big CCs as well. This is a stunning little bag, okay? You know what? You should check out Amy from Fashionably Amy, her video. She has one as well. After I watched her video, at first I was looking at it going like, what can you fit in it? Like, what in the world? But I thought it was so cute. It's like, what is that? That is such a unique looking bag. So I went to Chanel with the intention to buy my giveaway item. Yeah, I walked in, I saw this, and at first I was thinking, okay, that's like, what are you gonna do with it? But when I tried it on, you know when your heart goes like, that is cute. That is really nice. And I have a thing about little, like tiny little bags. I always wanted one. And it's not like, it's expensive, but it's not like jaw-droppingly like, oh my gosh, what are you doing, like $10,000 kind of thing. No, it's not. But obviously for such a small thing, what the heck can you fit in it, right? So I tried it and I thought about it, and I thought, you know what, it kind of makes sense in a way that if you were just running out for a simple, date night or something cute, or if you're going out just to get something from, groceries or something, and you just need to put your keys, your coins, some cash, your card, and that's it, right? I know it doesn't fit your phone, but I was telling Amy, I said, you know what? I actually don't even put my handphone in my bag anymore because I'm always holding on to it. Like my bag has everything else except my phone, because I'll put it in my bag for a bit. But the next thing I know, I will hold it again because I'm always checking something. The only time that I will put my phone back into my bag is in a crowded place. I need both of my hands, or it's something that is always in and out from my bag. I would say 80% of the time I'm holding on to my phone even when I'm walking, because I have this little ring thing. So it's not such a deal breaker. It's not something that I say, oh, it can't fit my phone. Totally not, right? Totally. Of course, it makes me want to get a old school flip Samsung phone. If you're from the old school days, you know what I'm talking about. I used to have one of those. I lost it before, but anyway, that is the phone that will fit into this. I'm pretty sure it will. It's as tall as the Chanel card. If you put your card holder, it doesn't really fit. You can kind of make it work, but watch Amy's video because she did an amazing, what can fit inside this little fellow. But yes, I have used my wildcard for this beetle. Like, what is that beetle? The one that has lots of shift in color. What is that beetle called? That name of that beetle. But anyway, that guy, yeah. It is stunning. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm really happy to pick it up, and I'm really happy to pick it up in this gorgeous unicorn color. Yes. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick unboxing. Till my next video, you guys take care, and I'll see you then. Bye.